In this course, our essential question is, how do we find and use patterns in nature to predict the future, make data-informed decisions in the present, and understand the past? What you were trying to do is you started with a wild guess prediction with a bowling ball on this large ramp here from a height of 44 centimeters. And once it hit the ground, you were supposed to just predict how far would it travel in 6 seconds. After that, you began an inquiry process using this ramp and a 1-inch ball bearing or a 1/2-inch ball bearing or maybe even a 2-inch ball bearing. And you used that experiment to find distance and time data for a ball rolling on a floor. And then graphing that data, you found a pattern that was about how the distance changed and the time changed. And then you could use that pattern to then come back and make a data-informed prediction about how far the bowling ball would travel in 6 seconds. For next steps, or if you have any questions, please contact your teacher.